Popular Houston rapper DeeBaby truck was reportedly shot up last night, leaving one dead and one in critical condition while they were at the gas station. Witnesses say 4 men pulled in with long guns. The identities of the victims haven't been released. Oh, there's more as the story develops. Now, for those of you saying this crazy because Houston don't even get down like this, where the fuck you been? Houston, the new Chirac. You must not even be from the H to make that type of comment. I'm not gonna lie, being a rapper don't even look cool no more. Niggas better off selling vacuums door to door. Now I know a lot of you, including myself, were thinking, I didn't even know he had no smoke. But you don't need smoke with anyone. You just need money for incidents like this to happen. Y'all gotta start buying bulletproof whips over chains. Man, I'm telling you, rappers better start investing in bulletproof vehicles instead of stacked jeans. Not gonna lie, that hating shit super whack. This gotta be fake news.